Making money online seems very easy, but the hard reality is that 90% of the online creators fails due to not following proper strategy, due to not following proper model. And in this video, I will discuss a best affiliate marketing model to follow in 2022, and I wish you all the best for your affiliate marketing journey in upcoming year. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pegadia, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It motivates me to create more content. And let me tell you that if you are doing affiliate marketing, please take it seriously because it can give you time and financial freedom. It can give you passive income. So how to follow that model? The number one thing is make yourself super clear about potential buyer. Who is the potential buyer for the product you are promoting? Please make sure you are creating avatars for them, and by creating avatar, you know and you get clarity in your mind that who is target market for that product or that service. After making yourself super clear, you can target that specific market. And if you are not clear who is the potential buyer, then to whom you will target and how you will get results. So the number one point and the first thing to make sure is make yourself super clear about your potential buyer. And the next thing is take your initial earning as seed money. Please don't withdraw your initial earning for your other expenses. Please reinvest that in your affiliate marketing business for your self education. And by doing that, what you can do, you can grow your affiliate marketing business further. So the initial money should not be withdrawn from the system. Please reinvest that in the system. You can run advertisement, you can buy some self development programs, and you know what you required most for yourself. So do that and take that as a seed money and don't withdraw that money initially. And the next thing is run advertisement and invest in self education. Once you are making money from affiliate marketing, I recommend you to run advertisements, because through advertisements you can increase your earnings to unlimited potentials. And if you are investing in your self education, then that is the best investment on this planet. If you are investing on yourself, that is going to be give you the returns later on. So please invest on self education and run advertisements from the initial money you are making by selling affiliate products. And now let me tell you model for promoting, and this model is ready for 2022. Please make sure you are following proper model, and by following this model you can get very huge results, and that can give you financial freedom also. The number one thing is every product or service is going to solve some problem. That's why that product or service exists. Otherwise, that should not exist in this world. You know what top level problem that product or service is solving. And by knowing that, you can target that market, you can target that individuals, you can target that organizations if your product is for organizations or individuals. That depends upon your product. And solve their top level problem. What they are facing, what this tool or affiliate product or what this service is solving. So please try to get them connected. Don't try to sell them that service. Tell them that this is your problem and this product or this service is going to solve your problem this way. And by solving that top level problem, you can sell your affiliate products very easily. And next thing is sell through your products. What does that mean? When you are selling your products, when you are providing coaching to other people's, when you are providing tutorials to other people's, or whatever service or product you are providing, try to sell other products through your product. Like if I am providing my courses on how to build online courses for digital creators, then I may be selling some affiliate products inside my hub, and that is going to be give me the better results, because I know if a person is enrolled in my course and he is doing my course, then he may require and he will require this type of tool, he will require this type of service. So if I promote, there is high chances of conversion. This is the way to sell through your products and create. If you are not creating your own products, then I recommend you to create your own products, because if you mix your own products and affiliate marketing, then that is going to be the ultimate for online earning. And the next point is coach people how to use. In this affiliate marketing model, you can coach people how to use. If I am here and if I am promoting Camtasia, then I can coach you that in Camtasia you can make videos like this. I am making this video in Camtasia, and Camtasia allowing me to make my DSLR video and make my laptop screen video in simultaneously, and that allows me to edit very easily. That's why I am making videos in Camtasia, and by making these type of tutorials about your product or about your services, you can promote that easily. And you know, if a person is watching tutorial, he is the potential buyer of premium version, or he may be already the user of that product or service, but that is not going to affect a lot on your product promotion strategy. That is a part of promotion strategy, and you should target the persons how to use that. And by telling the benefits of the products and services, you can predict your sales also. And next thing is offer unique bonus. What I am doing right now, if someone is going to buy Groove.cm lifetime membership through my affiliate link, I am giving them the access in my MSI ecosystem gold membership. My gold membership price is Indian rupees 40,000. So I am giving that product for free to the persons who are going to buy Groove.cm lifetime membership through my affiliate link, because I am going to earn commission from Groove. And please make sure you are not offering direct cashback, because you can't offer direct cashback to your customers as an affiliate marketer, otherwise your account will be banned. So what I am going to give them, I am going to give them access to my gold membership, and that way they will be benefited and they know how to build MSI ecosystem, and Groove will help them by providing each and every tool to make MSI ecosystem. So this is going to be win-win situation for everyone, because as an affiliate marketer I am getting commission, and the person who is buying Groove.cm lifetime membership is able to build his or her MSI ecosystem by using Groove and my courses, and company is going to make profit ultimately by selling his products. So this is an example of offering unique bonuses. I will recommend you, if you are promoting affiliate products, please offer unique bonus to your potential buyers. And the next thing is solve their problem, provide support. If a person is buying product or service through your affiliate link, guide them to use that product, how to use that product, and solve their problem. What problem they are going to face in using that product or service, solve that, provide them support. Like I am using Groove.cm for a long, then I know what potential problem a person can face, and I know the solution for that also. So through my weekly calls, I am giving them chance to ask a question, and I will try to solve their problem. I will try to provide them support for their Groove.cm account. This is going to be a model. Please follow this. And just to recap, first, solve top level problem, sell through your products, enroll people into your product and sell other products. inside your hub, coach people how to use. By doing that, you can increase your sales, offer unique bonus to your customers, and solve their problem and support. Now, let me tell you, if you are having any question, please ask in comments. And if you found this video useful, please like this video and share with relevant people, because someone may be struggling, and by taking the knowledge from this video, he or she may get the path, he or she may get the clarity to his promotion or to his online business. And if you are still not a part of my community, I recommend you to join my community Youth Info Hub and book clarity session with me if you are not clear still, and if you want super clarity in your vision, if you want a personalized path for yourself, then I recommend you to book clarity session. You can book that by downloading MSI guide. You will find link in the description of this video. Download that MSI guide, and on last page of that MSI guide you will find a link to book clarity session. Choose the available time and book your clarity session. And next thing is, if you want to grow fast, you should work as an accountability partner to someone, and someone will act as an accountability partner to you. And if you still not found your accountability partner, I recommend you to join Youth Info Hub, where you will find accountability partner for yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are having any question, please don't hesitate to ask in comments, or you can ask me in direct messages also. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is RC Pagadia. Thank you and best of luck.